Alright, so I am going to show you how to save something to a board on Pinterest. So let's say up at the top here I'm going to type in teacher tools and then it'll give me a bunch of stuff down here. Let's see, 17 apps for teachers in 2017, 10 tools to techify your class. That seems fitting for us. So if you want to look at the resource, you would click on it and then click on it again, and it would take you to that resource. But we don't want to do that. We want to look at it later. So you're going to click save, and then you have to add a board because I don't have any made right now. So I'm just going to use one of the ones that they suggested for me. Click create, and at the bottom you can see it says saved. So now how do you access that? So you're going to go to your profile, and under your profile it'll say how many followers, what you're following, and then you can click on search them by boards, pins, tries, or topics. So I'm looking at boards, and if I click into my teacher tools, it has it right there. And then if I want to access it at a different time, I would do the same thing. Just click on it, and I've got my resource right there. So that is how you save something on Pinterest.